When your foundation settles, it's usually because the soil underneath can no longer support the weight of your home. This happens most commonly when foundation soil shrinks as it dries out. It can also happen when foundation soil softens as it becomes saturated with water or washes out completely. Additionally, weak native soil or poorly compacted fill soils can compress under the weight of your home. So, to permanently stabilize your home, we need to extend the foundation to bedrock or competent load-bearing soil. Now, the best way to do this is to install steel piers by advancing them through the problem layers of soil until they reach this load-bearing material. The steel push or helical piers are then connected to your home via high-strength steel brackets. Your home's weight is then transferred through the brackets and the piers onto load-bearing soil or bedrock. Now, stabilized, your home can even be lifted back towards its original position in most cases. It's a big job to be sure, but we do this every day. And it's the best way to permanently stabilize your home, so you can sleep soundly again, knowing your home and everything in it are sitting on solid ground.